Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the truck. This is the third or fourth one that I've done by myself. If you've seen some other videos, I'm using different oil every time, just trying some different stuff up. And today we're going to be using some Castrol Edge. Of course, this is 0W20. It is Dexos approved. I use a pretty large funnel with the engine, the way it sits in these big bottles. It's a little tough to put the oil back in, so I have a nice big funnel so I don't miss and make a mess on the engine. We're going to need our filter. This is a Fran filter. Some people love it, some people hate it, as I've seen in some of my previous videos. But we're sticking with the Fran. You will need your oil filter wrench. I've had a couple different ones. We always hand tighten the filters, but sometimes to get them off, they're a little tough, so a little wrench would be perfect. Oil pan, no matter how big, you're gonna make a mess, at least I do. So we're gonna go through the steps of changing this oil, resetting the truck, and going over the basic items that you will need in order to complete the process. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. Quick little do-it-yourself oil change. Save a few dollars. It may cost you a little more in the beginning because you got to buy the oil pan and an oil wrench, but for all the other times you can pick your own oil. You can do it yourself. It takes about 30 minutes. Super simple. I made a mess as I always do, so now I got to back the truck out, clean that up. I need to start using some cardboard under there to help protect the garage floor. Other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.